Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Once again, we are going to provide an answer to this question, which is more or less like algebraic expression, more or less like indices. So we just place it under algebra. So we want to see, it's an equation also. So we want to find the value of x. So we can see 2x to the power 4 over 3 plus 5x to the power 3 over 4 is equal to 6x to the power 4 over 3 minus 3x to the power 3 over 4. You can see the powers are not the same, they are alternating. You can see this is 4 over 3, 3 over 4, 4 over 3, 3 over 4. So in terms of indices, since we are adding, we will not be able to apply any rule of indices. But in terms of algebra, that is algebraic expression, we know that like terms are derived from variables of the same power. If I have x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4, we can say these are all x, but they are not like terms because their powers are different. So the moment I have power of 5, I can easily add. So x to the power half plus x to the power half is also like terms. So we can see it here that a power of 4 over 3, 4 over 3, 3 over 4, 3 over 4 become like terms. Alright, so if that is true, then let's group like terms by adding 3x to the power 3 over 4 to both sides so that it will move here and come here. So since it's coming here, this must also be subtracted from both sides so that it will come to each like terms. So I'll be having 5x to the power 3 over 4, adding this to both sides, giving plus 3x 3 over 4 equal to 6x 4 over 3 minus 2x 4 over 3. So these become like terms. If you want to add this, you can also see that there's a common factor, x to the power 3 over 4, x to the power 3 over 4. If you factor them out, you'll be left with 5 plus 3, and that will give you 8x 3 over 4. Similarly, if I factor the common factor, which is the variable, I'll be left with 6 minus 2, and that will give us what? 4. Then our variable 4 on 3 will come. So this is where we are. We are seeing a common factor. So we can easily divide both sides by what? 4. So that the 4 will reduce this value to give us 2x to the power 3 over 4 equals to x 4 over 3. What is next? We are seeing the x here, but the powers of the variables are not the same. So in one way or the other, we either use this to divide both sides, or we use the second one to divide both sides, so that the x will be grouped at one side. So seeing this is having the coefficient, let's divide this by this so that we can have our 2 on its own. We can divide also by this. So divide by x to the power 3 over 4. So this is going to be 2x to the power 3 over 4, x to the power 3 over 4 equals to x to the power 4 over 3, x to the power 3 over 4. So in this case, we know we can cancel out, saying they have the same base, the same power. So I'll be left with only 2 equals 2. The laws of indices will not be applied here. X to the power 4 over 3 minus 3 over 4. The law of indices, subtraction. Division is what? Subtraction. So we can perform our subtraction by using 4 to multiply the top and down, 3 to multiply top and down, right? Fraction. So that we can get a common denominator of 12. So this will be 16 minus 9. And that will give us 7. So our equation becomes 2 equals to x to the power 7 over what? 12. per this subtraction. If we do that, using the denominator to multiply 16, 12, 9, 12, the same denominator 12, 16 minus 9, I believe that will give us 7. Our x is still having a power. So what do? We know we can only clear this if you multiply it by its reciprocal. Meaning if I multiply here by 12 on 7, it will go. So you square it that way. 2 exponent 12 on 7 equals to x 7 on 12 times 12 on 7. This will multiply. So I'll be having these factors cancel. So x equals to 2 12 on what? 7. So if you find the value of this and put it back into the equation, you have your left hand side equals to the right hand side. Try that on your calculator, because I did, and I have the same value on the left, the same value on the right. So we can see how we can employ the principle of algebraic expression with that of indices to solve questions that involve exponent. I believe you get the concept. If you do, like, share, and comment. Subscribe. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Share with your learning colleagues. Click on the notification bell so that you can receive my videos anytime it is uploaded. Thank you. Bye-bye.